I'm working from the kitchen today and I'm just going to be revamping the website for the better part of the morning and then head to lunch. Of work on the website today and my eyes are starting to hurt, so I decided to take a break and just reorganize my makeup skincare table, or I could start packing for the trip next week. Maybe I'll start with this one. Okay, so the look I'm going for this autumn winter is plaid. I love this plaid jacket. It's like so textured, such a girl boss texture. Love it. Okay, and we can pair it with, I have another plaid piece here. They are all pants. Okay, my dad bought me these. Okay, but I'm thinking the plaid blazer would go well with like a plaid crop top, which I actually have here too. I was thinking this could go well with like a white long sleeved ribbed tank, and then I actually do have a plaid skirt, so it's gonna be an all plaid look. I'm imagining plaid blazer, plaid crop, and then plaid skirt with black tights and possibly black boots. Yeah. I also have like, I know I bought something that looks so Cher from Clueless. Somewhere here. Okay, this is the bag of stuff I bought when I was in California and Nevada, and I haven't unpacked. I haven't seen any other retail stores sell this Cher inspired outfit. I got it at Charlotte Russ and it's a bit pricey, but you know, I bought it because I haven't seen it anywhere else, so love it. It's funny when you have like one pair of lips but own like 50 different lipsticks. This isn't even like half of what's down here in my cabinet. More lipsticks. But these are the ones that I wear most, or that I like to see the most. So I'm just gonna be keeping stuff. This is so messy. I don't like it. I should do like a product shoot one day, like all of my stuff, just like, you know how like Into the Gloss and Glossier do their photo shoots with products with that flash and those temperature adjustments. This is my favorite serum to use. Okay, come on, focus. You can do it. Okay. This is my favorite serum to use. The Ordinary Niacinamide 10% and zinc 1%. It's made my skin like so soft and supple. Dr. Jotsuka Pear Cream. It's made from Centella asiatica, which is like, I think, an herb that they say tigers use to heal their wounds. And this helps calm any redness you may have on your face. And it's like really helpful because it even smells nice. It's like a green, muted green colored paste. And it's really soothing when you use it after you take a bath, after you cleanse, and after you use your serum. Oh, this is a really cool case. It's actually a mail storage container, I think, for letters and such. I bought it when I was in Naples, but I just put, okay, I use it upright because I put all my brushes here and some palettes that I use. It's really cute. I should use it for a video one day. Oops. This Glossier pouch. For aesthetic purposes, I keep it here. Empty, nice in my bottle. I think I've emptied like 3 already. This is my 4th. I should use this mask tonight. I got it for free at Vanilla Co. when I spent about like, I don't know how much I spent there, but I did buy this tint over there. You can see how used it is. It's so subtle for the daytime. I love using it. And this cushion. This one I've used recently. It's the Wish Trend 5% Mandelic Skin Pure Water. The first time I used it, a little bit too much came out of the bottle, so that was a waste. But I don't know, I don't have an opinion of it yet because I've only used it for 2 nights. So I don't know yet. Oh, this I love. It's the Glossier birthdaybalm.com, and it smells so wonderful. It tastes like, I don't know, confetti. Comes out like that. Swap it off and you just put some on your lips to stay hydrated and to smell fresh. Workday is done for today. It's 5:38 p.m. Goodbye.
Okay, so since you're unresponsive, it's like do a game. So I'm gonna ask you like a series of questions.
This is 73 questions with Vogue.
No, but then it's like 2 choices, and then you're just gonna say which one pops into your mind.
Okay.
Peanut butter or jelly?
Peanut butter.
Day or night?
Day.
Summer or spring?
Summer.
Winter or fall?
Fall.
Read a book or watch a movie?
That's hard.
You have to say the first thing that comes to your mind.
Read a book.
Would you travel to Europe or Asia?
Europe.
You should answer a lot faster.
Okay,
that's the point of the game.
Lightning round.
Would you stay in the kitchen or the living room?
Living room.
There you go again. You paused ulit. Cooler or aircon?
Aircon. Wala na, no more questions.
I have questions.
You're slow.
I have questions. Curtains or... What's that?
Who's that?
Curtains or blinds?
Curtains. No, can I buy white blinds?
Okay,
it's hard to
we're
draw
done with this
curtains.
game. We're done with this game.
So the day is done, and I've taken a bath, and I'm gonna light the before I end my work days, I usually like to set up my to-do list for the next day. Even though I work freelance, I still do like the idea of having a set routine to follow for the next day. So I like ticking off the stuff that I've done for the day and then just moving my grading tasks to the next day. Here's what I'm using. It's called Notion, and it is such a game changer. One of my good friends, Angie, she introduced it to me, and I cannot tell you how great it is to use it. So basically you can just set up your own home page and then just put links and tabs in for the things you're most interested in. Like, I have this whole sheet for my skincare routine, which I designed, and put down like a table for products I'm using. Like on this column, these are the products I'm using on a day-to-day basis. These are the products that I want to repurchase, and then these are the ones I plan to buy. Which reminds me, I do have to do some online shopping because it's December 12th today, and there are a lot of sales online that I should be taking advantage of. I was too busy working to check today. So I did end up purchasing something from Sephora. It was the Dr. Jart limited edition Cicapair set. And now I'm gonna call it a night and just do Netflix, which I've hooked up to the projector right here. Good night.